No mask, no worries. No materials, no worries. No spandex, no worries. No hot glue or glue sticks, no worries. Hi, I'm Nikki from Living Life Broke, and I'm going to tell you how you can make you a mask for under 25 cents living life broke during the coronavirus pandemic. And here's how. All right, girls and boys, are you ready to get started on making your maxi mask? Okay. Well, what you're going to need is one stapler, one maxi pad, and two rubber bands. These things you should already have at the house. Guys, if you do not have a maxi pad, go and ask your wife. Go and ask your girlfriend. Go and knock on the neighbor's door and say, hey, I need a maxi pad. If they don't have a maxi pad, don't worry. Go to the Dollar Tree. That'll solve your I don't have a maxi pad problem. When you get to the counter, tell the cashier, hey, I need me some Maxi pads, the ones that's in the pink packaging, the ones with the 16 count. And if you got a big koala walla head, grab the blue packs because there's no reason why you should be walking around with a tight fitting mask on your big head. Just get the blue pads and they will fit your face just fine. So go ahead, run to the Dollar Tree, go grab your maxi pad so we can get started. Now go. All right, now that Slow Joe is back from the Dollar Tree with his pass, let's go ahead and get started. First, let's start by opening up the mask. Correction. Let's start by opening up your pads. It's not a mask yet because we hadn't even started to create it. All right, open up your pads. And as you're opening your pads, you'll see that there's like a clear paper lining on the back. That is to protect the sticky part of the pads. You know, the part that normally the women stick to the underwear, blah blah blah. But you don't want to take that off because if you need a fast, simple mask, this is the fastest, simple, cheapest mask you're gonna get for under 25 cents. I don't even think you're gonna pay 10 cents for this mask. So there's no reason why should be walking around here with no mask. Go ahead, grab your rubber bands. You want to line your rubber bands up on the side of the mask. Once you kind of figured out where you're going to put your rubber band, go ahead and get your staple set to that location. It's easier to do it that way than to try to, put the rubber band first and then get your stapler. I know I tried. Go ahead, once you got it in lined up where you want to be, press down. You want to press hard enough so that the staple can actually go through the pad and on to the other side. Pull the rubber band as far to the edge as possible within the staple. You want to go ahead and do the same thing for the other side. All right, once you finish adding your rubber bands on both sides, go ahead and give it that tug test. Make sure all is good, all is stable, that it won't pop off once you put it over your ears. And there you have it, a mask made in less than 2 minutes. All right, so once you finish doing your pull test, you want to go ahead and put your mask on. You want to wash your hands because you don't want to put coronavirus all over your face, and that defeats the purpose of making a mask. And before you're taking off your glasses, you want to make sure your hands are clean. And it's going to be hard to put your mask on when you're wearing the glasses, so go ahead and take your glasses off first. Put it behind your ear. You want to make sure that you're selecting rubber bands that's big enough but not too tight, because if it's too tight, they're going to fall off. If it's too big, they will fall off. And voila! Here we go. Here we have our mask made under 2 minutes, less than 25 cents. All right, so there is no reason why You should be around here walking around with no mask on. What you gonna do when you wanna go inside the store and they're gonna say, "Oh, you can't come in here 'cause you don't have on no mask." Uh-huh. Desperate times calls for desperate creativity. Now, you play with it if you want. Don't walk around here with a mask on to see what happens. Listen, if you want to know people like, oh, that's not name brand. I only wear name brand stuff. Okay, I got something for you. I'm gonna make this into a Jumpman mask. Yeah, you can't do that. Watch this. Bam. Now you got you on a Jumpman Maxi mask, huh? Didn't think it could happen. And for all those ladies who like the bling bling, just hold on. I'm gonna show you how to do that too. All right, so let's get started working on our bling bling mask. Okay, so what you want to do is now you go ahead and remove that protective liner that's in the front. And when you remove that liner, it is going to expose the adhesive side of the pad. All right, and I kind of pre-measured my ribbon to be 7.5 inch long times 2.5 inch wide. That is about the size of the adhesive strip that's in the center of the pad. Maybe just a little bit overlapping, but with the strip I had, it was too wide, so I want to go ahead and just cut maybe one roll from off it. And then what I do is I go ahead and I snip the ends of the ribbon to make it look like a corner rounded shape to kind of make it join in with the look of the mask. All right, so now all you have to do is put your bling bling mask over the adhesive, press down. Make sure it's on there good and firm. And there you have it. Your bling bling masky. I'm sorry, I got candy in my mouth. Your bling bling. Say that twice, 2 times, 5 times. Your bling bling maxi mask. There you go. Couldn't get it out for a minute. Okay, so if you follow this video through the end, you're probably just as bored as I am. However, don't forget to watch my next video on how to cover your mask. That way you can design your mask with the color you like, the scheme you like, the bling you like. It doesn't matter. Your imagination, let your imagination run wild. And I'm Nikki from Living Life Broke. And if you want to follow me living a broke life during this coronavirus, don't forget to subscribe because desperate times calls for desperate creativities.